Hello everyone. Our beloved country is the seventh largest nation in the world, and the virtue of the people in our country is beyond limits. Whatever the politician says, whatever the reassurances he gives, the people of India simply agrees and they will not ask any question in return. Quarrels, contention, mudslinging, inciting people through caste and religion, wheedling citizens by providing them money and alcoholic drinks at the time of elections, making drama in the name of social service and fooling innocent citizens. After seeing all these high drama, left wing, right wing, nothing seems right to us. When I was thinking there are no other option at all, then this solid principle of Prajakya brought into my attention. In mythology and history, whenever our devils, corrupt and wild kings made people to suffer, there came an avatar to demolish those. No doubt, the situation today is worse than those kings and devils. I'll ask you a question. Is it possible to develop a state or country when corrupt system, corrupt politicians, corrupt government employees and citizens adjusted to that corrupt system are prevailing? Definitely there must be an end to this corrupt system, right? Don't you think that common citizens deserve to live with peace and dignity? Don't you think that there must be someone to start a spark against this corrupt system? Same time, while starting spark, it must not put citizens into difficulties. Don't you think there must not be any harmful incidents and damage to state or national wealth? Don't you think of doing change with peace and without harm to citizens? There must be the eradication of corrupt system without disturbing the peace of citizens. Yes, it is $1 million question in the minds of every citizen. How it is possible? Who will come to bring the change? And the answer is you. Only you can change. There is a famous saying which says, "Be the change that you want to see in the world." Fortunately, there is a solution already existing in this horizon, and lakhs of people joining this movement. Remember, change is only possible by citizens. A citizen, a group of citizens, and one solid principle always initiate the change. Prajakya is one such principle which is spreading like wildfire. This is a silent revolution. Prajakya is a smooth and peaceful process. I repeat, Prajakya is a smooth and peaceful process by the people, of the people, and for the people. Uttama Prajakya Party UPP is a silent revolution platform for citizens and it works as per Prajakya principle. This is an open platform with no membership fee, no party fund and no donation accepted. Everyone is welcome here. There is no differentiation of poor, rich, famous, religion, caste, tribe, blah blah blah. Here, only being a citizen of the country is important. Everyone must be addressed as citizen, Nagarika only. Change is the rule of the world. For the dignity, peace and betterment of citizens, corruption must end and Prajakya must be established. This can happen only and only when citizens make the change through ballot box. Remember this. Uttama Prajakya Party is the stage for the same. Together we can drive away the corrupt system. We citizens have to install the kind of democracy which founder of our Indian constitution dreamt of. You are the change. Only you can change. You will be the change. Dear viewers, if you want to know more about Prajakya and UPP, you can also call us at 79758 22460, 98 96204, 98 96804. Even you could download an Android app called UPP by Prajakya from Play Store. To know further, please visit www.prajakya.org. Thank you for watching. Jai Prajakya.